This product is a newly designed adjustable integrated solar street light. Large area monocrystalline silicon solar panels can charge efficiently. All internal accessories are efficient and reliable. The remote control can adjust the light source module. And the entire light angle can also be adjusted in a wide range to cater to the direction of the sun. Professional road light distribution design and high brightness adjustable light source module meet the uniform illumination of multiple lanes. The flip-up design of the rotating shaft makes maintenance easier. IP65 protection, no worries in rain or storm. Two-way module light type, adjustable light source direction to illuminate two-way lanes. A variety of models are available to meet different lighting project needs. Welcome to contact us.